Welcome everybody guys. The series that is going on right now is called Madagascar series, whose second part we are going to watch today. We all saw in the first part how Alex, Marty, Gloria and Melman were going to return to their city, but the cruise in which they were traveling had run out of petrol. So will all these people stay in Madagascar, and if they stay, then whom all will they meet here? We will get to see all this in this second movie. In the beginning of the movie, we see Juba the king, who was the alpha lion of this forest. Juba's son's name was Elki. Juba always did not like Elki's antics because he did not growl, rather he always used to dance. Juba used to worry about his son. There was another lion in this forest whose name was Maku. Maku always wanted to be the king of this forest. That is why one day he challenges Juba. There was a fight going on between Juba and Maku, and in the meantime, a small rope was tied between them. While following him, he comes out of the jungle a little. Actually, it was a trap in which little Elki gets trapped. Juba runs a long way to get his son, but by then, Elki had been taken very far. While fighting with Juba, Elki's box falls down from the hunter's car and Elki goes floating in the river very far. The person who finds Elki brings him to the zoo, after which, little Elki becomes Alex. Along with this, Elki meets other animals in the zoo, i.e., little Marty, little Gloria and little Melman. Since then, these four become very good friends. Now, Elki loved to dance, that's why he keeps dancing and becomes the most favorite animal of this zoo. And now the story shifts to the present. No one had been able to get out of Madagascar till now. All these animals together had fixed the entire plane with the help of lemurs, and today was the time to bid goodbye to all these animals. All of them sit in the plane and leave for New York Zoo. They were ready, where it is revealed that Lamar King Julian and his assistant Maurice were also with them to go to the zoo, along with 2 chimpanzees and 4 penguins. With the help of Lamar's, the plane is started, but after going a little further, they all come to know that the fuel inside the plane is about to finish, that is, once again the same problem. Here, at first, everyone was having a lot of fun in the plane, but when everyone comes to know that this is going to be their last day, then everyone starts speaking their mind. Alex and Marty say to each other that both of us are each other's best friends who will always be together. Alex confesses to Marty that I broke your iPad, due to which Marty starts beating Alex badly. Gloria was sleeping comfortably. She had nothing to do with these things and she did not even know about the plane crash. Then Melman says there that Gloria, I like you very much, in fact I love you since childhood. After Melman said this, Alex and Marty kiss Melman. The horses start to spin. Then the penguins come into their form and try to land the plane very smoothly and slowly. They try but land so well that the whole part of the plane above had disappeared. Gloria wakes up from sleep and then she realizes that they have not landed in the zoo but in the jungle. Here Alex and the penguins have a fight that due to the lack of a good leader, everyone is stuck here, but still these 4 were happy that after all they are together even after so much. Then they start hearing human voices around them. A visitor car had come here and there was a special guest inside this visitor car. Guys, in the first movie, we saw the old lady inside the central station. This lady was the same one who recognizes Alex as soon as she sees him that she is a very naughty kitty. There is a fight between the two. Alex hits the auntie and this auntie hits Alex. After which these 4 move forward and they were seeing their life in front of them because there were many giraffes, zebras, many hippopotamuses and lions as well. Alex goes ahead and starts talking among all these animals. He introduces himself as Alex, who has come from the zoo and New York. Everyone thinks Alex is crazy because his actions were like this. Then the leader of this group comes out, i.e. Juba the alpha lion. Juba says that we already have too many animals here and we cannot keep more animals here. It would be better if you leave from here. Alex says that can't we deal together? Let us also stay here, we cannot go anywhere from here. Then Juba's wife, i.e. Alex's mom, recognizes her son Alki and seeing his hand says that this is the birthmark. Alex says that the doctor had said that I have this birthmark since childhood. It is a beauty spot. Juba also looks at his hand. Then Juba and his wife recognize their son and say that this is our son Alki. Alex says that no, my name is Alex, but seeing the mark on his hand and Suba's hand, he recognizes that this is my son. Mom and dad are here. Now Juba shouts loudly to his entire community that his son Alki has returned. By this time Julian and Maurice had also reached there. Marty goes to his zebra friends who look like him. Melman goes to a lot of giraffes, but all these giraffes were sick and were looking for a doctor. Gloria was enjoying with a hippo. A fat hippo named Moto Moto comes out of the water. He tries to flirt with Gloria. Gloria too had fallen in love with Moto Moto. Maku could not tolerate Juba's happiness. That is why he comes to Juba and tells the entire community that Alex still has to perform a ritual. This is our tradition. If any lion grows up, he will have to show his maturity from immature. There is a fight for this. Juba happily agrees to his son Alex. And he says that we will complete that ritual soon. Now the new task of the penguins was to recover their plane. That is why all the penguins go near the visitor car, make them mad and steal the visitor car and run away. But Auntie is not scared at all and takes all the people with her, as it is not easy to roam freely in the jungle. At night Alex goes inside his cave where Juba and his mom tell Alex about their old memories. Auntie gives courage to all these people and says that what did we do when we used to live in the jungles in the old times? Whatever we needed, we innovated all those things. Then what is this jungle? Hope comes in all the people and now these people start learning the ways of living here. Here the small lemur now reaches the same forest chasing his king Julian but brings a big shark behind him. Here the penguins deal with the chimpanzee and chimpanzee had brought a team of many chimpanzees with him. All of them together start making the plane. Here the same ritual fight was about to happen but Maku provokes Alex. He tells Alex that this is just a dance fight which anyone can win. It would be better if you choose a good participant for yourself. The fight was about to start where Alex had to choose his competitor. Alex chooses the strongest lion here, but Alex did not know that this is a fight ritual. He thinks it is a dance ritual, in return of which poor Alex gets beaten badly and he is not even able to fight in return. Juba's head bows down in shame. Then Maku comes and says that this is the son of the alpha lion, how will he take care of all of us? Now even the alpha lion will have to leave his throne, that is, who will become the new king here? No animal says anything and Maku declares himself as the leader here, and after becoming the leader, he gives the first order that Juba will have to leave this place and take his son along with him from here forever. Juba, who had taken care of so many animals for so many years, had to leave in shame because of Alex. That is why he tells Alex that you are not a real lion. Alex gets very disappointed after hearing all this and leaves from there alone. Melman was told by all the other giraffes that whoever becomes a doctor is killed soon. The doctors who became doctors before him also died within 48 hours. Now Melman loses hope of staying alive because earlier he had a phobia of staying sick. Here Marty starts showing his talent and he feels that among so many zebras, he is the only one who has talent, but later Marty comes to know that every zebra is talented, that is, Marty does not have any separate identity. Here everyone gets worried and comes and sits inside the plane and starts discussing their things. Then Gloria comes there and tells everyone that I am going to be a moto today. On hearing that I am going on a date with fat people, Melman loses his temper and says that you cannot go with anyone in my presence. Gloria says that what is your problem after all? Gloria leaves the place angrily. Then Marty comes there and then Alex comes to know that the Zosbra who was there was not Marty. Marty gets very hurt by this and he says that Alex, you were my best friend and you could not even recognize me. What could poor Alex say? Now all the zebras look the same and Marty leaves the place angrily. When Melman came to know that now Gloria is also dating someone else and he has 48 hours left, he was about to commit suicide. But then Julian and Maurice come there who tell Melman that before dying, you should do only that which is your last wish. If you like someone then go and tell him. Anyway you have to die anyway. Now Melman gets completely ready to tell his feelings to Gloria. There Gloria was enjoying with her date, i.e. Moto Moto. Gloria asks Moto Moto that why do you like me after all? What is the reason that you love me so much? Moto Moto says that you are a complete chubby balloon. Moto Moto had no other reason to like Gloria. Then Melman reaches there and looking into Moto Moto's eyes says that you should keep Gloria happy. If I were in your place, I would have given her orchid flowers and made her laugh every day because Gloria's smile is the most beautiful smile in the world. If I were in your place, I would have kept her happy always, but I never got this chance. Gloria's eyes remain wide open that how much Melman knows about her. Saying all this, Melman leaves from there, but Moto Moto had no idea about all this happiness of Gloria. Due to the water of this forest drying up, now everyone tells Manga that you will have to find a solution quickly. Maku says that if we need water, everyone will have to fight. The one who survives will get water. All the animals say that Maku, you are a lion, you will win in this and everyone will die, but then Alex reaches there and says that the water must have stopped somewhere, it is just like a pipe, something must have got stuck inside it, and I will go and bring this water back. Then all the animals say that this is not possible and Makoka laughs loudly that this is not your city that you are considering water as a pipe. Alex says that I will go up and go alone and one day I will bring water and you all will keep watching, but Mako makes fun of these things. All the animals say that we should take the advice of Zuba because he is the one who has taken care of the jungle for so many years. Now Alex could not go alone, that is why he goes to find Marty. But how will he recognize Marty among so many zebras? That is why Alex starts saying that Marty, you are the only one who is my true friend. If you are listening to me then you will definitely see me. All the zebras were looking at Alex. But there was only one zebra who was not looking at Alex. Alex recognizes that it is Marty is. And from there Alex goes alone that I have to go to bring water for this jungle. Marty also could not leave his friend now and he comes to Alex and says that you have recognized me. You are my true friends. Now we have to go to work. On the other side in the jungle everyone digs but they find gold, silver, diamonds and jewels but do not find water. Then Julian comes there and tells everyone a solution that if everyone wants water then we will have to sacrifice inside this volcano. Only then the water god will be happy. Now here Melman had no reason to stay alive. That is why he says that anyway I am going to die in 48 hours. So I am ready to sacrifice for everyone. All the animals pick up Melman and happily run from there and start going towards the volcano. Here Maku feels that this is the right time to kill Zuba as well. That is why Maku comes to Zuba and says that your son Alex is going to die. He went alone to the mountain. Zuba on hearing this, Alex starts going alone towards the mountain to save his son Alex's life. Here Alex and Marty understand where the water is. All the visitors who were staying here had built a dam and stopped all the water. Now this water had to be taken down. On the other side, all the animals had gone to the volcano to sacrifice themselves and Melman was prepared. Then Gloria comes running there and saves Melman's life and says that I was searching for my true love for so long. While I did not know that you are my true love, you love me the most. Here the humans together had caught Alex. Alex tells Marty to run away from here and bring help. Due to this, Alex comes running to his friends and tells everyone that we need help. Here a deal was going on between the penguins and the chimpanzees. The chimpanzees tell the penguins that if we have to make a plane, then we need maternity leave. Now here Alex Marty brings Glory and Melman for help. The same aunt was about to make her Alex Bhabhi when Juba reaches there. To save his son, Juba saves Alex, but all the people were about to shoot Alex. Alex says that Dad, stay calm here, don't be proud of anyone, these are the people of New York, they are a little confusing but will not harm anyone, and after this Alex starts dancing there. Juba does not understand what a crazy thing his son is doing, but then everyone recognizes that this is Alex from Central Park, this is our Alex, he cannot harm anyone. Everyone drops their weapons and now Juba is free and starts dancing in front of everyone, but the old aunt does not listen and was about to shoot Alex when Marty flies the same plane in which all the chimpanzees were. Gloria, Melman and all those penguins were also there, who together save the lives of Alex and Juba. These people sit inside a drum and break all the dams. Inside this drum, they bring this aunt with them. Here Julian and Maurice think that now no one has been sacrificed, which means that the water will never come. Then that little Lamar comes and the shark also follows him. Lamar is saved, but this shark falls inside the volcano. Here Julian, Maurice and this Lamar save their lives and they think that now the sacrifice has been done, which means that water will come soon. When these three come out, they see water coming. Julian feels that his prophecy came true. The water god was pleased with the sacrifice and water came. Due to lack of water in the jungle, everyone was dying. Then Alex and Juba come here, bringing water with them. All the animals become very happy and tell Juba that you are our true leader, but Maku was still the leader here. Alex had come here and brought a gift for Maku, which was Auntie's bag. Now if anyone touches Auntie's bag, then Auntie beats him badly. Auntie takes him out of the drum and beats Maku badly. All the animals were together. They had water. Alex had his own family. The penguins had married a doll and now all of them set out to roam around and make a honeymoon, and the four friends were still together, and with this wonderful movie ends here. So guys, you please tell me how did you all like this second part of Madagascar? So let's meet you all in the next movie. Till then, say tata.